Hello children, welcome to the math class. Children, kindly open your book page number 10. Now we will discuss about Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numbers. We have already learnt about the Indian and the international system of numeration. There is another numeration system called system of Roman numeration. This system was developed by the Romans. Okay. Despite being the oldest system of numeration, the Roman system is still in use. In Roman numbers, there is no zero. Okay, children, you remember, in Roman numeration, there is no zero. And hence no concept of place values. Here no place values are there. In this system, 7 basic symbols are used for writing the numerals. These symbols are as shown below. Okay. How many basic symbols are there? 7. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. So children, you remember these values. With the help of these symbols, we may write any number in Roman numerals. But we need to follow some rules. These rules are: rule number 1. Placing a symbol after a symbol of bigger value means adding the values of the symbol. For example, xi. Here children, x value is more than I. Means x means 10 and I means 1. So easily we can add. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. Then another one. L, X, X, B, I. L means children 50, X means 10, B means 5, 1, I means 1. So, here 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 is 76. Because here highest value is first, then the lowest value. So, easily we can add. But here you see rule number 2. Placing a symbol before a symbol of bigger value means subtracting the value of the first symbol from that of the second. For example, children, XL. Here children, XL means first X means 10, L means 50, which is less than L. X here less than L. So, here we subtract. 50 minus 10 is 40. Then XCV. X means children 10, you know. C means 100. V means 5. Here XC. X is lesser than C. So here we subtract. 100 minus 10 means C minus X. Then plus 5. That is 95. Okay. Then comes to rule number 3. A symbol can be repeated a maximum of 3 times in a numeral. Means X triple I we can write. But we cannot write X triple I then another one I. So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 13. Then X triple X we can write. Then comes to rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value comes in between two symbols of larger values, then its value is always subtracted from the value of the symbol immediately following it. For example, you see L, double X, I, V. Here you see I is smaller value. L means 50, X, 10 plus 10. I Here we subtract from V. V means children 5. So 5 minus 1. Okay. Clear? Then another one example. X I V. Sorry, X I X. Okay. 10 plus Ix means children we have to subtract it from X minus I, that is 10 minus 1. So answer will be 19. Then X L I X. X L, here you see X means 10, L means 50. So L minus X. 50 minus 10 plus again Ix. Here we subtract X minus I. 10 minus 1. Clear children? Children, you see the rules and the examples. Then you easily understood. Then children, let's see some examples. Okay. Example 4. Write the following Roman numerals as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here Roman numbers are given. Children, we have to convert in Hindu-Arabic numerals. A bit. LX triple I. L means children, you know 50. X means 10 and I means 1. So triple I means 3. Then you add. Then B bit. D C C X L B I. D means children, here you see 500. Then C 100 plus 100 X L. Here you see L is greater than X. So L minus X. 50 minus 10. Then B I 5 plus 1. Clear? So this table is very important. You first learn this table, then you can do. Otherwise, you can't do. Then comes to children, example 5. Write the Roman numeral for each of the following. 98. Okay, A bit is 98. 98 means children 90 plus 8. 90 means children 100 minus 10. Then plus 8 means children 5 plus 3. Okay. You differentiate. Okay. Separate you write, then easily you can understood. 100 minus 10 means children X C. Okay. Then 5 means V. 3 means triple I. Then you see yourself 587. Then C bit. (964). 964 means children 900 plus 60 means 50 plus 10 plus 4. So 900 how we get? 900 means children 1000 minus how much? Yes, 100. So M C, but here we just write alternate C M. Okay, here we write just alternate C M. Then 50 means children, you know L. Then X means 10, 4 means IV. Okay. So like this we see the examples. Then very important, this box. You remember, these are the main rule for Roman numerals. Okay. First one is I can be subtracted from X and V only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. V, L and D can never be subtracted. Okay, this is very important. You remember, V, L and D can never be subtracted. Then last one, A symbol of smaller value can be subtracted from a symbol of greater value just once. Okay. So children, this is very important. You remember. Okay. Then children comes to exercise 1.3. One number. Write the Roman numerals for each of the following. Already I had done first one. A bit 27. 27 means children 20 means 10 plus 10. Then 7 means 5 plus 2. So 10 plus 10 means double x. 5 means v. 2 means double I. Clear? Like this you do other bits. Then comes to 2 number. Write the following Roman numerals as Hindu Arabic numbers. Here children, Roman numbers are there. We have to write Hindu Arabic numbers. Here 2A you see. L triple X triple I. L means children you know 50. Then triple X means 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then triple I means children 3. Then you add. Then you get your answer. Like this children you complete other bits. Then comes to 3 number. Classify the following numbers as meaningful or meaningless. Children, here you see each number clearly. Okay. A bit LV double I. According to the rule, this is possible. So it is meaningful. But B, VX, B triple I. This is meaningless. According to this rule, V, L and D can never be subtracted. So it is meaningless. C also meaningless children because here more than triple X. According to the rule, it is not possible. So it is meaningless. D is meaningful according to the rule. It is correct. But E bit you see MVXB. Here also that same rule we follow. V is not subtracted, never be subtracted. Okay, so it is meaningless. So BCE is meaningless. Then children comes to 4 number. Give the answer for each of the following in Roman numerals. Okay. So first you convert children these Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic, then add, then again you change Roman numerals. First one you see for A, XIV plus double XV. XIV means children, you know, X means 10, then 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Then XXB means 10 plus 10 plus 5, that is 25. Then you add, we get 39. 39 means children 10 plus 10 plus 10 means triple X. 9 means IX. Clear children? Like this children you complete exercise 1.3. This is your homework. Okay. Before you start this exercise, again you read all the rules and this table and all the examples. Okay children? Thank you.